This is such a surreal feeling. Think of it just like a mitt that just does nothing but vibrate.
Our hive is back there, and they're all there still. What we have over here in this tree, these bees must have followed some of our bees, because that's a hell of a lot bigger than our hive, and they're swarmed onto our crabapple tree. And this has distracted me away from this other project that Renee's dad's working on over here that we started. I still have the other project going on with the cobblestones. Colby's gonna get suited up, and I'm gonna strap him up with a GoPro, so that's gonna be fun.
This is such a surreal feeling. Think of it just like a mitt that just does nothing but vibrate.
Oh, this is crazy. Oh, okay.
At this point, Colby was confident that he had collected the queen bee into the bee box. Now all we had to do was wait. Early the next morning, I checked the box, all the bees were in it, and the swarm had left the crabapple tree. Colby came by to pick up the box and relocated the bees to a new happy home and a new hive at a different location.
You got a little bit of everything coming to the party. There's a couple bumblebees over there, a couple yellow jackets.